MCMFOs. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about indices. Let's take a look at today's sum. Solve for x. Q by p, whole to the power of 1 minus 2x equal to root over p by q. So let's solve for x. Firstly, copy down this equation. Whole to the power of 1 minus 2x equal to root over p by q. Root over p by q. Now firstly, we have to think about this one because we can leave that aside for now and take a look over here. We can write this as implies that q by p whole to the power of 1 minus 2x equal to root over p by q is actually p by q whole to the power of half. Now we can write this as implies that q by p whole to the power of 1 minus 2x equal to, this can be written as q by p whole to the power of minus 1 by half. Not like that, minus half. Now how are we getting this? We will see that. I'm showing how we get this. This one is actually like this, p by q whole to the power of half. Now p by q can be written as q by p whole to the power of minus 1. That to the power of half. And we know that if it's like a to the power of m whole to the power of n, it's equal to a to the power of mn. Then from there we get q, this is actually q, it looks like an a. Yes, q by p whole to the power of minus 1 into that whole to the power of half. It means minus 1 into half, which gives us q to the power of p, q by p whole to the power of half, minus half. We get it like that. Now, since we have the same base, q by p, then this can be written as implies that 1 minus 2x equal to minus half. Or there implies that 1 plus half equal to 2x, or now we can swap that and get 2x equal to, let's do that mentally, 3 by 2. This is separate, yes. Which gives us x equal to 3 by 2 into half. We take the 2 down over here on this side, and then we get 3 by 4. So we have solved for x, and our final answer is x equal to 3 by 4. Now you might take a look at the board. Moving on to our next sum. Let's take a look. Solve for x, 4 to the power of x minus 1 into 0.5 to the power of 3 minus 2x equal to 1 by 8 whole to the power of x. Let's do this. Firstly, we have to copy down this equation. 4 to the power of x minus 1 into 0.5 whole to the power of 3 minus 2x equal to 1 by 8 whole to the power of x. Now over here, we'll try to make all of this in a power of 2. Let's see how. 4 can be written as 2 squared. Implies that 2 squared whole to the power of x minus 1. Now, the thing about 0.5 is 0.5 is actually half, and half is 2 to the power of minus 1. We know this. Now we have 2 to the power of minus 1 whole to the power of 3 minus 2x equal to, now instead of writing 8, we can write 2 cubed whole to the power of x. And we know that if it's like a to the power of m whole to the power of n, it's equal to a to the power of mn. We know this very well. Then using this identity, we get, implies that 2 to the power of 2 into x minus 1, the whole. And over here we have 2 to the power of minus 1 into 3 minus 2x, the whole, equal to, now 2 cubed can be written as, 1 by 2 cubed can be written as 2 to the power of minus 3 whole to the power of x. Now, in the next step, we will apply the same thing as in the case of this one, this identity. Implies that 2 to the power of 2x minus 2 into 2 to the power of minus 3 plus 2x equal to 2 to the power of minus 3x. Over here again, let's take a look. Now we know that if it's like a to the power of m into a to the power of n, it's equal to a to the power of m plus n. Keeping that in mind, we have over here 2 to the power of 2x minus 2 minus 3 plus 2x equal to 2 to the power of minus 3x. Implies that we can write this one as 2 to the power of, it gives 4x minus 5. To the power of 4x minus 5 equal to 2 to the power of minus 3x. Now we have the same base, 2, then we can write, implies that 4x minus 5 equal to minus 3x. Next, we can write this 4x plus 3x equal to 5. And lastly, we have 7x equal to 5. That implies that x equal to 5 by 7. So we solved for x and we got 5 by 7. This is our final answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.